graph the given ellipse. X squared plus 4y squared is 36. Okay, so we have the equation x squared plus 4y squared is 36. Now, we first have to get a 1 on the right side. So to graph, or really to do anything, we must get a 1 on the right side. So how am I going to make, the right side right now has a 36. So how am I going to get rid of that 36? I got a 36. How am I going to get rid of that 36? I'm going to divide through by 36, right? Because it's an equation. The left side equals the right side. So as long as I do the same thing to both sides, it'll still be equal when I'm done. That'll make the right side 1. This left side becomes x squared over 36. 4 goes into 36, 9, so y squared over 9. And then we rewrite that 36 as 6 squared and that 9 as 3 squared. So that's the form we always have to get the ellipse equation in. We have to get a 1 on the right side, and then we have to make the left side become something squared and something squared. Why? Well, that just makes it easy. You don't have to. There's no official rule that you have to, right? This equation is the same as the original. I could take this and change it right back to that. If I multiplied through by 36, it would go right on back to the old one. The reason we do this is for our own convenience, because that'll make it easy for us to graph. That's pretty much how math and science always works. You put equations in certain forms, and when they're in that pattern, then it's easy for you to do what you need to do with it. On this one, I need to graph it. So whatever's underneath x, 6 squared, that's the right-left amount. So starting from the origin, go right 6 and left 6. And then what is underneath y? That is up, down. So up 3, down 3. And then we connect the dots with an egg shape. I didn't do quite that good, but there we go. There's the graph of that ellipse. So again, it's all about getting 1 on the right side and making whatever's underneath x and y into square numbers. Let's see how you graph that on the program. So here it is. So you remember what ended up becoming of it. You need to click on the center. There's the center, and then you need to click one more dot, the edge of the box. So let's go back real quick. What was underneath x? 6 squared. So I need to go right 6, because that's underneath x, and 3 squared, up 3, right 6, up 3. I need to click this corner right there, because that makes a box. That puts a border around the ellipse, and it fits, the graphing program fits the ellipse right in there. Click on 6, 3. So I'm going to click on 6, 3. And there it is. There's our ellipse. See how it goes right and left 6, up and down 3. That's all you got to do. Click on the center and click on 6, 3.